Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today's topic is self-introduction. Self-introduction is the first step to start speaking with confidence. In this video, I will teach you how to introduce yourself in simple and advanced English. I will say the sentences slowly and you can repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Dear Miss. Hello, my name is Dear Miss. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ali. Hello, my name is Fatma. Hello, my name is Zahra. I am 12 years old. I am 12 years old. Repeat after me. I am 12 years old. I am 12 years old. I am 12 years old. I live in Australia. I live in Australia. I live in Canada. I live in Australia. I live in Australia. Repeat after me. I live in Australia. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a painter. I am a driver. I am an engineer. I am a doctor. I am a teacher. Repeat after me. I am a student. I am a student. I like painting. I like painting. I like painting. Repeat after me. I like football. I like cricket. I like hockey. I like playing hockey. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 14 years old. I live in Melbourne. I am a student. I like painting. Thank you. Hello, my name is Ahmed. I am 16 years old. I live in Sydney. I am a student. I like cricket. Thank you. Hello, my name is Mimi. I am 17 years old. I live in Canberra. I'm a student. I like hockey. Thank you. Hello, my name is Ali. I am 12 years old. I live in Brisbane. I'm a student. I like football. Thank you. Very good. That was the simple way of introducing yourself. Now let's learn a longer and more advanced self-introduction. This is very useful for interview, presentation, or when you meet people formally. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lara. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sahar. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yunus. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yusuf. Repeat after me. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali. Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatma. I am from London. I am from Australia. I am from America. I am from Afghanistan. I am from Pakistan. I am from India. Repeat after me. I am from Australia. I am from Canada. I am from Italy. I am from Switzerland. I am 16 years old. Repeat after me. I am 17 years old. I am 18 years old. I am 12 years old. I am 20 years old. I am 30 years old. I am 40 years old. I am studying in grade 6th. I am studying in grade 12. Repeat after me. I am studying in grade 11. I am studying in grade 10. I am studying in grade 9. I am studying in grade 7. My favorite subjects are science, math, and physics. My favorite subjects are Urdu, English, and computer science. My favorite subjects are Islamiyat, Urdu, and English. Favorite subjects are English, Urdu, and physics. My favorite subjects are English, Urdu, and history. What are your favorite subjects? Tell me in the comment section. In my free time, I like to play badminton. Repeat after me. In my free time, I like to play tennis. In my free time, I like to read books. In my free time, I like to recite Holy Quran. In my free time, I like to drink tea. In my free time, I like to hang out with friends. In my free time, I like to read novels. I am a friendly and hardworking person. I am a friendly and hardworking person. Repeat after me. I am a friendly and hardworking person. I am a friendly and hardworking person. Repeat after me. I am a friendly and hardworking person. In the future, I want to become a doctor. In the future, I want to become an engineer. Repeat after me. In the future, I want to become a nurse. In the future, I want to become a police officer. In the future, I want to become a salesperson. In the future, I want to become a doctor. Thank you for giving me the chance to introduce myself. Repeat after me. Thank you for giving me the chance to introduce myself. Repeat after me. Thank you for giving me the chance to introduce myself. Thank you for giving me the chance to introduce myself. I hope that you have learned these all sentences.